Hey kids, I'm back. So now we're going to practice some handwriting. Now the words you're going to practice today, I know we've done them before, but it's a good review. Now I brought the chalk from school. Let's just practice a couple lines. You can do your finger in the air with me, or you can practice writing on your hand with your finger too. Ready? Let's just practice our big line. Big line down. What does that make? A lowercase L. Good job. Let's add a little curve. Little curve. Bring it back. A lowercase b. Good job. Let's erase that little curve. So we're back to lowercase l. Let's add another little curve, but we're not going to connect all the way. Little curve and down. What is that? Lowercase h. Good job. You're going to be practicing that one today. Okay, erase your lowercase h. Let's do a big line down on the other side. Not on this line. Let's go over here. Big line down. Another lowercase l. But let's add another little curve the other way. Little curve. What does that make? A lowercase d. Good job. So those are some of the letters you're going to see today. Now if you have chalk at home, you can practice this on the sidewalk. If you don't, that's okay. Practice drawing it in the sky. Do your sky writing. Practice drawing it on your leg or the carpet. Now I want you to get a piece of paper. If you have one, if not, use whatever you have. And I'm going to show you on my camera. Right. So here's my piece of paper. First things first, it's always the same. I pick up my pencil and I write my name. Now you know Miss Henderson uses marker because it's easier to see. So let me get my name, Miss Henderson. Make sure you guys are writing your name neatly so I can read it. And then I want you to draw the best you can a truck. And I know it gets blurry, just give it a second. There we go. We're going to label the parts of a truck. We've done this before in our handwriting book, but it's good practice. So I'm going to draw the parts of the truck the best I can. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then we're going to label it. So here's going to be the back part of a truck. This top part, this is where you'd be sitting. This is actually called the cab. They call it the cab. Let's see, let's go back. What does it need? It needs some wheels to drive. It needs a door so you can get in and out. Can't be stuck in there. Let's do the little windshield, and there's the steering wheel. Needs a light. Awesome. Now we're going to label, and this is where you're going to practice your handwriting. So this part, Miss Harrison already told you, the part where you sit in a truck, what is that called? A cab. Good job. So let's draw an arrow, and we're going to label cab. We're going to do lowercase c, little curve, lowercase a, little curve, straight line down. B, we did this on the chalk. Big line down, little curve, cab. Good. Right here, in case it's dark outside, your truck needs what to see in the dark? Good, a light. So let's label light. Draw your arrow. Light. We did a lowercase l. Big line down. Good. I, little line. We're going to do a G. Little curve. It looks like a what? A C. We're going to give it a little tail. H, we practiced that. Big line down. Little curve. T. Big line down. Little line. Light. Good. Now to get in the truck, you need to open the what? The door. Good job. Let's label door. Ready? Oh, another big line. Lots of big lines in this one. Big line down. Little curve. Or, O, O, R. So we labeled the door. Let's go ahead and label the wheel, because you need a wheel to drive. Some people call it a tire. Tire or wheel. Both of them are fine, but we're going to write wheel today. Wheel. W. Here comes our H. Big line down, little curve. E, E, L. Big line down. Lots of big lines. Wheel. Good. Now we're going to label, I love this part. This is the back of the truck. They call it a bed. Not like a bed you would sleep in. That's just what they call it. It's called the bed of the truck. So we're going to label bed. And that's where you can put like boxes, anything you're carrying. Bed. Big line down. Little curve. E. Here comes another big line. Big line down. D. Little curve. Bed. Let's see, what else do we have to label? Oh, it needs an engine. Now we can't see the engine because it's inside of the truck underneath this called the hood, but we know there's an engine in there and it helps make the truck go. So, and here's the engine. Let's label engine. E, N, little curve, starts like a C. We're making a G though. G, I, N, E, engine. So now that you have your truck labeled, you can color it, decorate it however you want. I'm going to give mine a street to drive on. It's driving on the road. Always give more details. Details make it look nice. Maybe get a little sun up here. And then what I want you to do is if you have another crayon, another color, I want you to trace it one more time. So let me look at my markers here. I have, I think I'm going to use, I like this orange. I'm going to use orange today. I'm going to trace them one more time in a different color. If you don't have another color, just trace it again with your pencil, whatever you have. But you want to do it 2 times. So we did it once. We're going to trace it one more time. So let's label bed again. Bed. Big line down. B, E, D. Oh, those. You know what? I'm going to use a different color. And you can switch it up too. But trace every word, every label every time. Let's use blue this time. I'm going to label the door with blue. D, O, O, R. Door. Let me do one more. I did orange. I did blue. Let's do, I know a lot of the boys, you guys really like the color green. A lot of you boys like green. Let's do some green in here. Let's do light. L, I, G, H, T. And I'm going to keep going until I've done every word in a different color. So I wrote it once and I traced it again. And then I can color my truck and add some more details. So this is your handwriting for the week. Take your time. Practice your big lines down. Your little curves. Go slow. If you need to erase, erase. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I want you to try your best. Pikachu, what do you think of my truck? What do you think? It looks good? Oh, thank you, Pikachu. We'll work on your truck, label it. I can also, oh, you know what? Let me label sun. Let's add some more words up here. You guys are getting ready for first grade, so we're going to label some more. Sun. S, U, N, sun. Always do more. Okay. Well, I'm going to work on some more videos for you guys. I love you very much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.